All right, I have a question about stiff and sore knees after being seated for a long time or laying down sleeping when you first wake up in the morning. So my very first question is, how old? How old are you? How old is this patient? So if this is occurring, there's a lot of factors that kind of go into play with this. So the knee is a pretty simple joint. You've got, two bones right on top. And everybody's pretty cookie cutter. I mean, you got ligaments, tendons, meniscus, everything that's in between. It's usually there and functioning, or it's not and you hurt. So one of the other things with age, as we continue to progress, is now you have arthritis. You have swelling and inflammation in that joint. So let's talk a little bit more about when you have that stiffness and soreness. A lot of times, especially after inactivity, not necessarily with activity causing pain, usually after inactivity it's due to inflammation. So one of your best friends is going to be joint health, okay? So a collagen supplement is really, really great. Doing something that can really help flush all the inflammation out after you've done exercise or after you've slept all night and moving that lactic acid out. Magnesium is great also. Doing stuff like that is more of a joint health, especially after inactivity. One thing that I think is really great is, it's very underestimated, but doing a ice and a heat, alternating between the two. So physiologically, ice helps to slow things down. It vasoconstricts, slow things down. Heat usually vasodilates, which speeds things up, increases blood supply, makes things work a little faster and harder. So what I really like to do, especially when there's a lot of inflammation, this can work anywhere in the body, but right now we're talking about the knees. Let's do a vasoconstriction with ice for about 10 to 15 minutes, wait for about 5 minutes, and then do heat. Put that on there, using it as a pumping action. Vasoconstrict, vasodilate, vasoconstrict, vasodilate. Doing that will help him push inflammation out and hopefully help over time to really help clean out that joint. I will make another video though about knee pain with exercise, because there are a lot of things that kind of can cause that, but especially because this question was specifically focused on stiff and soreness after inactivity, sitting or sleeping. I really want you to focus on actual joint health, okay? Just so that it can heal a little bit better and you're ready to go when you're ready to exercise. I hope that helps.